please read this sentence?
Joe buys an ice cream cone in Rome.
All right, great job, Henry. So this one right here, cone. Can you say cone?
Cone.
Good. How about Tina? What shape is this?
It's a triangle.
Good job, Tina. Perfect. This is a triangle. What shape does this look like? How about Mina? Mina.
The pizza
Slice?
look like a triangle.
Good. Mina, can you please read these three?
Yes. Bear. Airplane. Hair.
Okay, great job with this one, Mina. Hair. This one, airplane. Make sure we get that R. Okay, air. And then plane. Good. Tina, can you please read this sentence?
Kayla is wearing a yellow flower in her black hair.
Good job, Tina. Henry, what sense does this picture make you think of? Which sense is this, Henry?
Is toast.
Close. Taste, remember?
Taste.
Good, yes. Okay, so yeah, a mouth should make you think of tasting, taste. Mina, can you tell me what coffee tastes like?
Coffee tastes like bitter.
Bitter. Excellent, Mina.
Bitter.
Sight, when we say our sense of sight. Okay? So we see with our eyes, we can see shapes, we can see colors and sizes. Tina, can you tell me what you see here?
I spy something blue, green, white, and green, shaped like a planet and objects is a door.
Awesome, Tina. So Tina gave us lots of descriptions, right? She said lots of different things. Awesome. All right, how about garbage? Garbage. How does garbage smell? Robert, how does garbage smell?
Garbage smells stinky.
Good. Garbage smells stinky. Have a good night, everyone, okay?
Goodbye.
Bye. Bye.
Goodbye.